Welcome to our guide on understanding U.S. phone numbers format. In this short video, we'll break down the U.S. mobile number so you can dial with confidence, whether you're calling from within the U.S. or abroad. U.S. mobile numbers are composed of three main parts: the country code, the area code, and the local number. Every international call to the U.S. begins with the country code, which is +1. The area code is a three-digit number that helps route your call to a specific geographic region within the vast landscape of the U.S. For instance, 361 is an area code for Texas, while 206 is the area code for Washington. The local number, consisting of 7 digits, is the unique identifier for the individual phone line. If you need to contact someone in San Francisco from outside the U.S., you would dial +1 41555511010, where 415 is the area code for San Francisco. For calls within the U.S., it's simpler. Just dial the 10-digit number, country code, area code plus local number. To ensure successful connections, always check the area code before dialing to avoid misdirecting your call. Now that you're familiar with the U.S. mobile number format, you're set to navigate through calls with confidence. My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partner.